How to use CryptoMania app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to use CryptoMania app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to head over to your Play Store and search for the CryptoMania app. Install it, then open the app. You will get access to this language section where you have to select the language for CryptoMania. Select any language according to your convenience, example English, and tap the Set button. Now you have to get your price and trade. Tap on Let's Go button. Now tap Chase, and after that you have easily got $3,000 coins and cash. Tap Claim button. If you want to stay updated, tap OK, switch them on, or tap Now Ask Me Later. Now you land on this home section where you can tap on the 7k dollar plus 200 coins at top left corner of the screen for signing up. And now you need to tap on sign up button. You can sign up via email or Google. Now tap collect button and tap not now, and you can rate it later. So now you're finally on the app's dashboard where you can simply watch videos and collect dividends. Also, you can collect rewards by tapping on the section of daily reward. Also, for challenges, there are different tasks where you have to follow all the tasks, and after that, you can stop as well on the section. You can tap auction and start auction. There are top investors, premiums, and trades section where from the premium you can upgrade for more features. On shop, you can buy NFTs or profile decorations as well. On the auction, you can bid on items available in the app auction. Now, you can tap on Start Trading button and start trading on this app. Tap Complete Tutorial, or simply you can tap on Skip button, and here is the Sell and Buy button where you can simply tap on it based on your market predictions. And then you can monitor the trades as well by viewing your open trades, manage positions, or exit trades at any time. And after that, you can even enter trading tournaments to complete and improve your rankings. Also, you can manage your profile details and track your ratings on the leaderboard. So that's how you can easily use CryptoMania application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.